Some of you may be wondering if I have a WhatsApp number, guys. Well, I do. You can check for my WhatsApp number down in the description down there. Yes, so that you can reach out to me personally. Well, my name is Mugisha Emmanuel, and welcome back to this YouTube channel, Mugicraft. Well, one of our viewers commented and requested for a video on how to make a flat rectangle using beads and how you can make any size of your choice on that very rectangle, guys. Yes, so that's what we are going to be looking at today in today's video. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends and families. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. So without wasting time, let's start. Guys, we have our beads here, as you can see. So you can decide to use any color of your choice. Yes, so then we have our string here, 0.8 millimeters, which is 0.8. If you can see, it's our fishing board. So here we have our cutter for cutting off the unwanted part of the string. Yes, so you can put some materials on side. So the first step, what you do is you get part of your string like this. You get part of your string like this. Yes, so what you're going to do is start with 4 beads. You start with 4 beads like this. So you first put 3 into the string, 3 beads into the string. If you can see, after putting 3 beads, you get the 4th bead, the one you're going to tie with. Then you pull, like this. Hope you can see. That way they have 4 beads pattern. So the next step is you make sure both sides of the string are on the same level, so you can adjust. Yes, so after adjusting, you come back here to your beads. Remember, we are making a flat rectangle using beads. So what you're going to do now, we are going to be using now 3 beads. Now we are going to place 1 bead this side of the string, another bead this side of the string, then you tie with 1. So how we're going to do it, you get 3 beads, you put 1 this side, you're going to put another 1 the other side of the string, like this, then you tie with 1. You get your 1 bead, it's the one you're going to tie with, like this. You tie with 1, you pull like this. Hope you can see now how it's becoming. So continue the same process. You get your 3 beads, whereby you place 1, you put 1 into one side of the string, then you get the other one, the other side of the string as well. Then you get the other one, you tie with it. Yes, then you tie, you pull with it like this. Hope you can see now. Yeah, so you're going to continue the same. You get 3 beads with you. So you put one side, the other one, the other side of the string as well. Then you pull with 1. Then you tie with 1 like this. You pull. You tie with 1, then you pull like this. So after pulling, you continue the same process. So you get your 3 beads. You put 1 the other side of the string, then you put another 1 the other side of the string, then you tie with 1, then you pull. You're going to pull with it, you pull. So you can fix it when you're pulling. Like this, comes like this. Fix your string in any shape you want. So you pull like that. So we have already done 5 times, so we're going to continue. We've already done 5 times, so we're going to continue 3 more times. So what we're going to do now, we're going to continue the same process, whereby you first put 1 bead on one side of the string, then you put the other bead on the other side of the string, then you come up with 1 that you're going to pull with, then you pull like this, then you pull with it, then you pull with it like this. Hope you can see now. Yes, so we're going to continue 2 more times. You can continue 2 more times. So you put one side of the string, you put one bead, then the other side of the string as well, you put one bead as well, like this. Then you close with one, you get one bead. You're going to close with, you pull, then you pull like this. You can see. Yes. So we're going to continue one more time, whereby you get one side of the string like this, you put one here, then another side of the string as well, you put one, then you close with one, you get, then you close with one, like this. So when after doing that, remember now this is like our base. Remember we are now going to increase the other side, so you can make it as long as you want, the length you want. Yeah, by continuing this same process, you put one bead here, another bead here, then you close with one. Yeah, so what you're going to do now, we're going to make sure that one of the strings, either side of the string meets the other. So what we're going to do now, may I prefer this one on the right. So you're going to put it into this next bit of it. Hope you see it. You see that? So after that, after putting into this next bit, you're going to make it go up here. You're going to make it come up in this bit like this. Then you pull. Yeah, make sure you fix your string, you pull like this. Yeah, so after pulling, remember now hope you can see now they're on the same facing the same level. So what you're going to do now, you have to make sure these two strings cross over this same one bead, this one bead here. So this string is going to enter into this bead and this string same bead. You have to meet up inside there. So what you're going to do now, you're going to make sure it goes inside here. Then the other side of the string also enters into the same bead like this. Hope you can see. Then you pull. Hope you can see now. Then you pull like this. Then you pull. Yes, so now we are going to continue this upper side like this. So what you are going to do, you get your right hand side, you're going to consider 3 beads, whereby you first put 2 beads into that same side of the string, the right hand side. Then you get the third one, it's the one you're going to tie with. You get the other side of the string as well, you bring it over to tie this side. Hope you can see now. So hope you can see now we are tying. It's getting this height of it. So what you're going to do now, you're going to get this lower string on my right hand side, this one, to enter into this next bead here. Okay, so that you continue this same process. So what you're going to do now, it's going to enter into the same bead here. Then you pull. Hope you can see. Then you pull. So after pulling, so you're going to make sure you use 2 beads. You get 2 beads. You first put one here, one bead like this. Then you get the other second bead, the one you're going to tie with. It's the one you're going to tie with like this. You put your string, then you pull. Then you pull. Make sure you pull like this. So make sure you can fix it using your hands, your bare hands. Yes, you can give it any shape you want. So like this, hope you can see now. Okay, so we're going to get, still remember, you do the same, you get this lower string to enter into the same bead, if you can see. Yeah, so you continue the same process, you get 1 bead, you put 1 bead like this, then you tie with the other bead as well. So you're going to bring over the other side of the string like this, then you pull. After tying it, you pull like this. You can see how it's becoming. So after pulling, you get this lower string on my right as well. You put it into the next bead like this. You can see. Okay, so you continue the same process. You get 2 beads. You put one bead inside. Then you tie with the other one, the other bead as well. Then you tie, you bring those strings together. You pull like this. You pull like this. So this is how it becomes. Then you continue the same process. You put the lowest string into the next bead like this. You can see now. Then you get 2 beads. First put one into the string, then you tie with the other. Yeah, so you continue this same process. So I'm going to show you how you make it when you reach here at the end of it, so that you can be able to go to the next level upward, so that you can be able to increase upward here. I'm going to show you how you do it when you reach at the extreme end of it. Yes, so now we're going to do the same thing. We are going to put the string into the next bead like this, put into the next bead like this. Yes, so you get 2 strings as well. Get 1 bead, get the second bead. Yes, the one you're going to tie with. You pull, you tie with it like this. Tie with it. Yes, so you can get this lower string as well. You put into the next bead. Yes, so we are almost reaching the extreme end. So you can get 2 beads as well. You put 1, then you're going to tie with 1 still. You tie with 1 still, then you pull, like this. Yes, hope you can see. So what you're going to do now, you're going to continue the same process. You put the string into the next bead like this. So when you reach at the extreme end of it, hope you can see here, you reach at the extreme end of it. So what you do here,